Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup HIPAA patient data for small practices securely, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current data storage systems. Identify all locations where patient data is stored, including physical and electronic records. Evaluate your existing data management policies to ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations. Conduct a risk analysis to pinpoint vulnerabilities in your data storage practices. Establish a clear data backup strategy tailored to your practice's specific needs. Choose between on-site and cloud backup solutions, or consider a hybrid approach. For on-site backups, ensure that physical copies are stored in a secure location with limited access. Select a reputable cloud service that is HIPAA compliant if you opt for cloud storage. Implement encryption for all patient data, both in transit and at rest. Schedule regular backups to ensure data is consistently updated and protected. Create a clear protocol for manual backups, if necessary, that includes who is responsible for these tasks. Test your backup system regularly to ensure that data can be restored quickly and accurately. Develop an incident response plan that outlines steps to take in the event of a data breach. Educate your staff on the importance of data security and proper backup procedures. Conduct training sessions to familiarize team members with HIPAA requirements and best practices. Review your backup systems periodically to incorporate any new technologies or methods. Keep thorough documentation of all backup processes and compliance efforts. Establish a routine audit schedule to verify adherence to your data security policies. Stay informed about changes in HIPAA regulations to maintain compliance. By following these steps, you can secure your patient data effectively and ensure the integrity of your practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.